QuickBooks Online allows you to easily delete expenses. To do so, navigate to the Expenses section in your QuickBooks dashboard. Find the expense you want to remove. This could be from receipts, mileage, or bills. Select the expense and click Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm to permanently remove the expense. Understand that deleting an expense instantly removes it from your financial reports and ledgers. This impacts calculations like your profit and loss statement. If you miss the undo window, you can still restore the deleted expense using the audit log. Access the audit log by clicking the gear icon and selecting Audit Log. Search for the deletion event by filtering by date, user, or transaction type. Once found, click Restore. This will recreate the expense with all its original details. Note that this feature is typically available in the Plus tier and above. Restoring an expense through the audit log doesn't automatically reapply it to closed books or reconciled accounts. This means you'll need to make manual adjustments to ensure your financial records remain accurate. These manual adjustments could involve updating ledger entries, recalculating balances, or ensuring the restored expense aligns with your overall accounting principles. This restriction helps maintain security and prevents unauthorized changes, but it means regular users might need to request admin assistance for restorations. Review your profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and any custom reports to confirm the restoration hasn't caused discrepancies or errors. The audit log in QuickBooks Online is a critical tool for maintaining data integrity. It meticulously tracks all changes made to your financial data, including expense creations, edits, and deletions. Each entry includes a timestamp, the user ID of the person who made the change, and specific details about the transaction. This log is essential for audits, fraud prevention, and ensuring compliance with regulations like SOX or GDPR. The audit log in QuickBooks Online allows you to filter and search for specific activities, making it straightforward to spot potentially suspicious changes, such as bulk deletions that could indicate errors or unauthorized access. You can export the audit log to CSV or Excel formats for detailed external reviews by auditors or compliance teams, ensuring thorough examination of all financial record changes. According to Intuit's data policy, audit logs are retained for 7 years in most regions, providing a long-term record that supports regulatory compliance and helps resolve issues with financial data integrity. This feature is essential for detecting and resolving unauthorized changes or accidental modifications in your financial records, enhancing overall security and accountability in business operations. QuickBooks Online now integrates artificial intelligence into its audit logs, bringing advanced security features to expense management. The AI assistant continuously monitors all changes in the audit log, automatically flagging suspicious activities such as bulk deletions or unusual patterns that might indicate errors or fraudulent behavior. When potential issues are detected, the AI suggests automated restores, allowing quick recovery of deleted expenses without manual intervention. This integration helps maintain compliance with regulations and significantly reduces the risk of costly errors or fraudulent activities by providing real-time protection. Moreover, the AI system learns from individual user behavior patterns over time, continuously improving its accuracy in identifying genuine issues versus normal operations. For effective expense management, always double-check entries before deleting to prevent accidental data loss. If a mistake occurs, use the undo feature right away for instant reversal. Additionally, regularly review the audit log to maintain data integrity and identify any irregularities early. Looking ahead, expect increased automation through AI to handle expenses more intelligently. This includes predictive undos that learn from your patterns to suggest reversals. Security will improve with blockchain-inspired immutable logs that prevent tampering. Finally, cross-platform synchronization will enable instant restores across all your devices. By following these best practices and staying updated with emerging trends, you'll ensure more reliable and secure expense management in QuickBooks Online.